Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate your Tello eSIM. So once you have ordered an eSIM, a QR code will be provided under the My SIM section. Before installing the eSIM, please make sure that your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. You have removed or turned off any other SIM cards or eSIMs installed in your device. This can be done under settings, then cellular, the mobile data, or in the mobile data you can just select the SIM or turn off this line. Your device is carrier unlocked. After these steps, proceed according to your device type and your preferred activation method, like QR code activation. Keep your Tello account open on the computer or secondary device to scan the QR code with your phone. In Android, in Samsung device, you can just, if you're using any Samsung device, then you can just go to settings, then go to connections, then SIM manager, and you will find add eSIM option. The device will give you the option to scan a QR code. Once the installation is done, follow the instruction on the phone. If you are using Google Pixel and other Android devices, then you have to go to settings, then network and internet, then SIMs, then add or plus button. There you will find, then download a SIM instead, then click on next and follow the instruction to scan the QR code. If you're using an iPhone or iOS device, then you just need to go to settings, then cellular, and you will find add eSIM option here there, and click use QR code, then scan the QR code provided on the Tello account and follow the setup steps provided by the device. But make sure that your iPhone, actually the iPhone version or the variant, your variant is support eSIM. In some variant like Chinese variant and the Indian variant doesn't support eSIM. They only have dual physical SIM. So if you're using any other variant, then you will find eSIM. Also, if you're using US variant, then you won't get any physical SIM on your iPhone. You will only get eSIM on your iPhone. Now, if you want to activate your eSIM manually, then you can follow these steps. So if you are unable to scan the QR code, an alternative activation method is available, that is actually manual activation. Details can be found in the My SIM section of your Tello account online, located below the QR code. To complete this activation in Android, you have to follow the steps like go to settings, then go to connections, then SIM manager, and you'll find add SIMs options. Then tap on the QR code, and instead of scanning the code, tap enter activation code at the bottom of the screen. Then you can just add the activation code to activate your eSIM on your Android device. Or in iPhone, you have to go to settings, then cellular, then add eSIM or add cellular plan and scan QR code. Once the camera opens, a new option will display at the bottom of the screen. Select enter details manually. So you have to enter the activation code manually, and it will activate the eSIM, the Tello eSIM on your device. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.